Haley, what is this?
Bucket.
A what?
Bucket.
Let me open it first. What is it?
Bucket.
Backpack? Who's this? Who's that?
Bucket.
Who is that?
Bucket.
You wanna wear it? Okay, put one hand here. Look at you, big girl. And one hand here. Show Dada.
Dada.
Yeah? You ready
Turn
for
around,
school?
Turn around. Turn around.
Can I see? Turn around. Can I
Turn
see?
around. Show the back. Show your
Wow.
back. Where
Bye.
are you going? Where are you gonna go? Are you gonna bring that to church?
Bye. You're gonna go bye?
Where are you going? Show Dada.
Where are you going? What do you call it?
Backpack.
Say backpack. Yeah, you got one? Yeah, you got a backpack like
You're
Dada?
like a big girl.
You got a backpack like Dada?
You got a backpack, huh? What are you gonna carry in your backpack? What are you gonna carry in your backpack?
That's cute.
That is door. Where are you going?
You ready to go?
You gonna leave?
Open the door.
Where are you going? School? Going to school? Dark outside. So cute.
You like your backpack, Haley? Did you say thank you to Mama? Say thank you, Mama.
You're welcome.
Give her a hug.
Can I have a hug? You like your backpack? Let me hug.
And kiss.
Kiss
Kiss
Mom.
Mama. Kiss Mama. Say thank you.
Love you. Love you.
Love you.
Okay.